check a video of the sample of the concentration of Mist Detector. Below, the label which histogram is and context is.
An overheated bearing or hot spot causes oil droplets to evaporate inside the crankcase, leading to the formation of an oil mist. Higher concentration of oil mist causes crankcase explosion. An oil mist detector or OMD senses oil mist concentration inside the crankcase of all the units. If the concentration of mist increases in any unit above the limit, it activates an alarm. When you hear the alarm, reduce engine speed to dead slow. Ensure that the alarm is not false, not the unit in which the mist concentration has gone up. Request permission to stop from the bridge. Stop the engine and the fuel supply. Switch off the auxiliary blowers. Keep lubricating oil pumps and jacket cooling water pumps running. Open the skylight to ventilate the engine room and prepare the firefighting equipment. Stop the lubricating oil circulating pump. Cut off the starting air and engage the turning gear. 20 minutes after the engine has stopped, open the crankcase doors and inspect the unit indicated by the OMD. While opening, stay clear of possible spurts of flame. Locate the hotspots using powerful lamps. Check the temperatures of main bearings, piston rods, stuffing boxes, crossheads and telescopic pipes using a remote handheld thermometer. Look for squeezed out bearing metal and discoloration caused by heat such as a blistered paint, burnt oil or oxidized steel. Prevent further hotspots by permanent repair. Start the circulating oil pump. Check the oil flow through all bearings. Disengage the turning gear and start the engine. Stop the engine after 15 minutes and inspect the crankcase. Run the engine for 1 hour and inspect the crankcase again. Run the engine on full load and inspect the crankcase to ensure that there are no hot spots.
Immediate refuse or refuse the formation of mist, but only give warning and please
generated through minute leaks in oil lines which, under pressure, give off a very fine atomized spray, or when oil hits a hot surface and boils, generating a mist. Common hazard areas include diesel generators and diesel propulsion generators, boilers, purifier and fuel modules, emergency diesel generators, and incinerator rooms. Responding to the need for better shipboard fire detection, Fike Video Analytics, a subsidiary of Fike Corporation, has revolutionized early detection of oil mist, smoke, flame, and reflected flame. Video cameras are widely used in shipboard machinery spaces. Fike Video Analytics processes the video from these off-the-shelf cameras, mounted in various hazard areas, to intelligently monitor and detect the unique signatures of hazardous conditions. Using approved algorithms currently utilized in detection systems required for the manufacturing, petrochemical, and power industries, Fike Video Analytics software learns the camera's field of view and monitors for characteristics of oil mist or spray known to cause flame or explosion. Upon detection, an alarm can be signaled in the engine control room or anywhere else on the ship. Live video and analytics overlay assists in quick identification of hazard sources, allowing for timely action to avoid fire and explosion. If a fire does occur, Fike Video Analytics will recognize the unique signatures of fire and smoke. In the event the fire is not directly in the camera's field of view, the system can also recognize the signature of the flame being reflected off of equipment, bulkheads, or the deck. A shipboard camera network combined with Fike Video Analytics creates a highly efficient means for rapidly detecting oil mist, a precursor to a potential fire or explosion. The system can be monitored by shipboard personnel and linked to automation and safety management systems, allowing critical time to take action before disaster occurs.
To being a leader in terms of technical quality. A comprehensive protection system for large diesel, gas, and dual fuel engines is now being developed, the Diamos Diesel Engine Monitoring System. Selected sensors register any deviation from normal operation and prevent damage to the engine. A global network of 36 service partners ensures there's a Schaller representative close to you, whether you need maintenance on an existing system or the installation of a new one.